Welcome back, folks. Hope you enjoyed this latest compilation. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
Up, red light. Woo! That was a bad brain fart. Where are you going?
There's something stuck on the bottom of her car, too. What the hell is that? What the hell is that?
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. And don't forget to leave a comment to let us know how we're doing. We welcome your feedback. Have a great day.